Joining us now, Ukraine's Prosecutor General, Irina Venediktova. If you could please tell us, we understand the atrocities are not confined to Bucha. What else can you report? What other cities and what other atrocities can you report to us?
Good morning, dear friends. At first, of course, I want to ask your citizens for this huge support during our very hard days. We started more than 4,000 criminal cases only about war crimes. And these cases are absolutely different by their size. From one case, we have concrete facts of murders of our civilians. In other case, for example, like as our anchor case about Russian aggression, we have now 214 suspects, and this is top militaries and top politicians, MPs from Russian Federation. We have evidence from absolutely different regions of our country about war crimes, about using prohibited weapons, about bombing civilian objects, about killing, and you see now it's in Kiev region, about just murders of our civilians, women, kids, elderly people. When it was only February of this year and it was first days of war, it was very terrible situation when Russian troops attacked elderly house and 56 elderly people were murdered. And these facts we have, unfortunately, in big quantity.
At some point, this war will be over. And when it is over, let me ask you, what should Vladimir Putin, what should Foreign Minister Lavrov, what sort of justice should Russian generals and commanders and soldiers face?
Of course, we understand who are responsible for this war, who should be punished for this war. And this is not only concrete individuals who killed our citizens. It is Russian authorities who gave them these orders. This is why we have in Ukraine 4 main approaches. One of them is our criminal investigation. These 4,000 about which I just told. Other one, it is coordination and support investigation of International Criminal Court. And I trust prosecutor of International Criminal Court who can investigate and war crimes and crimes against humanity and other possibilities. I don't want to say now words of genocide, but maybe we can qualify such crimes as a genocide. The third approach, it is joint investigation team. For now, we have joint investigation team with Lithuania and Poland. And our next approach, it is starting criminal proceedings in other national jurisdictions. Now 10 European countries started their own criminal cases about war crimes in Ukraine.
Ms. Venediktova, I want to give you the official opportunity to respond to what Russia, again this morning, is claiming, Sergei Lavrov, the foreign minister himself, that the images we're seeing out of Bucha are made up, that the bodies are fake, and that this is a crime scene planted by the Ukrainian government to engender sympathy from the world. What do you say to that?
I even can't imagine that Ministry of Foreign Affairs can't be a liar. Actually, it's very strange when such high level of politicians can make such answers. That's why, of course, for us, very important not only speak about this. For us, very important to demonstrate the whole world our evidence and actually concrete proofs of these war crimes.
All right, Ukraine's Prosecutor General Irina Venediktova, thank you very much for joining us this morning. And
hey, thanks so much for watching our YouTube channel. You can follow up on today's top stories and breaking news, or catch up on your favorite MSNBC shows all in one place. Download the NBC News app today.